On 1st August 2024, the world was shaken by the news of a high-profile assassination. Hamas chief Ismail Haniyeh was killed by an explosive device hidden within a Tehran guest house. The New York Times investigation revealed the chilling details of this covert operation. Haniyeh was targeted by a bomb planted in a heavily guarded guest house in Tehran known as Nishat. This compound, run by the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps, was considered secure. The bomb, hidden approximately 2 months prior, was detonated remotely once Haniyeh was confirmed to be inside his room. The blast also claimed the life of a bodyguard and caused significant damage to the building, which is evident in the photograph shared by the New York Times. The facility's medical team quickly arrived at the scene following the explosion. They confirmed that Haniyeh had died instantly. Efforts were made to resuscitate the bodyguard, but he was also pronounced dead. Iranian officials and Hamas quickly pointed fingers at Israel, alleging responsibility for the assassination. Israel, however, did not publicly acknowledge the operation. The assassins exploited a lapse in the security of the compound, managing to plant the bomb weeks in advance. The breach is considered a catastrophic failure for the Revolutionary Guards, who used the compound for high-level activities. The precise planning of the assassination, including extensive surveillance, indicates a high level of sophistication. Although how the bomb was stashed in the guest house still remains unclear. Rumors initially suggested a missile strike, but investigations confirmed the explosion occurred inside Haniyeh's room. The precision of the attack is reminiscent of Israel's past operations, including the 2020 assassination of Mohsen Fakhrizadeh. According to the New York Times, General Ismail Ghani, the commander-in-chief of the Quds Force, was among the first to be informed. The Quds Force, the overseas arm of the Revolutionary Guards, collaborates closely with regional allies such as Hamas and Hezbollah. General Ghani promptly notified Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, waking him up in the middle of the night, the officials reported. Khamenei had allegedly convened the Supreme National Security Council for an emergency session at his compound, where he ordered a retaliatory strike on Israel. 4 hours post-explosion, the Revolutionary Guards announced the death of Haniyeh. Israel's Foreign Intelligence Service, the Mossad, primarily conducts assassination operations abroad. In January, David Barnea, the head of Mossad, told NYT that his service was obliged to hunt down the leaders of Hamas, the group responsible for the October 7 attacks in Israel. It is significant to understand that a leader of his stature was highly protected and safeguarded, even by the Iranian Supreme Council. Haniyeh, the world's most protected terrorist, stayed at the same guest house multiple times prior to this when he traveled to Tehran. Despite the heavy security presence, Haniyeh's location and plans were well in the public, making him a prime target. The assassination has sent shockwaves through the region, raising concerns about possible escalations.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.